Professional chef Mr. Bemi Omedo in the kitchen again. Hello guys, I decided to start my day in assisting my beloved wife for breakfast this morning. I told her, Madam, just relax, hold the camera, let me make this yummy breakfast for you. First of all, I took the blender. I had to do what they call slicing versus sliceable. This is a white man way without using the knife. Then I went to the kitchen. I brought out some of the spices that I'll be using for this beautiful, delicious meal. First of all, let the oil be hot. The evidence of oil being hot in the food makes the food very delicate, makes the food very beautiful, makes the food in a state of palatable experience. So look at me frying. Yes, my wife don't distract me. I am doing voiceover. Yes, guys. So I started to start by frying the what? Ingredient, the vegetables. Why do you fry your vegetables? Evidence number one, frying the vegetables makes the food well palatable. So I noticed that, yes, this thing is going very well. So let me add little mangi. Only mangi, Abi? Yeah, so I added my mangi. She considered every time. He said, no, not put too much salt. Not put too much salt. I said, okay, is this one okay? Should I add more? So she told me this quantity is okay. I forgot this place more for camera. I may not bless now. She didn't teach me what to do. But anyway, no problem. So guys, I told her, Madam, I want to try this sardine with what if this one again? No, tomatoes, ketchup, oil. Forget my language. She said, "It no go good though." I said, "Let us try. Trying and testing is different. I believe the end result will be palatable." Thereafter, I poured the egg in the egg sauce, mixing together. My wife come, they say, "Ha, you dey try you." Now I quickly say, "Ma, do clean up," because my wife they like if you dey cook and you dey clean. Yes, she come they happy. They say, "You try you try you." I say, "Yes." I tell you, say, if you not marry me before, you for lose well. So the egg is ready now. You see, the egg is ready. I can't be happy. I can't bring her Milo and milk. Now time for tea. As I bring her the first one, I say it's already empty. I said, now wow. I can't. He enter. Forget, Madam. I am doing voiceover. Don't distract me. So I continue, guys. I can't pour the egg inside the plate. I say, don't worry. I told you I'm a caring, lovely husband. This Bonvita, my son don't chop and finish. Every day, tea. Now me or na him. Now him. So I can't just take from inside. I can't take the other one to complete time. So I made the tea very well. But my wife can't say, no, I want coffee. I said, okay, coffee for you, my wife. No, just tell me small, I will do it for you. So I'm making her own tea different because she's on weight loss journey or whatever. I don't know. This is not part of my discussion today. My discussion is based on me making a breakfast as a husband material. So look at it, guys. Showing her the milk. I had to open a new milk again because they don't finish milk. They use milk for this house, like say milk na bread and tea. Oh, that is me testing the milk. I say, oh, good thing, sweet. Oh, I can't put sugar as a final delicacy. So time to pour the water. Breakfast is ready. Watch, guys. Food is ready. Take now. Which one you the face right?
No, is it for me?
Now, no, for my ancestors, for my great grandpapa, we not there again.
Yeah, we better test the milk.
Because yeah, they do say it's not for me. She wants to do it.
No, they go bring more milk.
I'll serve it. This is my day, my wife. Okay. This marriage must.
They tell me say milk not the sugar not them. I go bring more. Yeah.
This marriage must work. Anything you want, my wife.
Can't bring another spoon for me. I don't want to use this one.
No, wow.
So that's how you do me now.
But how they stress you like this?
You clean now.
I'm not clean now.
You not pad and dry. You just wash and water. Pad it and dry with
okay,
tissue.
This marriage, I'm gonna say I won't make this marriage work. I make I do all this one too. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
You're very happy today, my wife.
Yeah, I'm very happy today.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'll open the bread.
Okay, yes. I'll come 1 minute more.
I said they do me. Now that they watch the video, I mean, I know they watch that end while they serve.
This marriage is not easy. To please women, it's not easy. Only today when I say my serve breakfast.
Open. Cut her into two. Just give me my own. Woo.
Ma, should I slice it officially or
No, just
locally?
Open that giggle style.
Okay,
that's how I want
it.
it.
Vibe.
See. Oh!
It's my wife.
Now you can go and sit down and be funny me.
Okay, thank you, my wife. This marriage, Yeah, I'm a proud chef today. A proud chef. Yes, my wife. You're enjoying it.
Coffee be want too much.
You see, I told you, marry me. I will always cook good food for you. Marry me, you say, wait. Thank God say you don't make mistake.
I for make mistake.
No.
Marry one man when we say go get money, plenty money. I know they say for us. No, they do me all these things and they do me like this.
Nothing. So, I said you'd be so high. Our Sunday going to be like.
That is one now. I'll go give you for the other room.
Okay.
Give you weather. I'll give you.
Thank you very much. You see, when you as a good cook, your wife appreciates you. Man, when last did you go to the kitchen? I don't to advise her.
It's sweet though. Very sweet. It's sweet.
Yeah.
With Sunday. If you've tried this method before, leave it under the comment section. We'll see how many of us be foodie for the gang. You see the way I press on BBC.
So we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye and happy Sunday.